So welcome to this week's video. Over the weekend we did get the linoleum floor put in. I have a couple of little things to do, a couple pieces I need to trim off. We do have 3 panels left.
We thought we were going to have more left.
We did. I really don't know how my math was so far off.
Mine was the same.
But that aside, we have everything we need, and it was $40, and we've got a couple extra pieces for patching later on if we have issues.
It's so easy to clean.
And it really is a solid material.
It is, yeah.
I'm pretty happy with it. The other thing that is going on is we've got just about all the parts for the solar panel rack. And we've got a sunny day, and that is being painted. We got one coat on. Spray paint dries fairly quickly, so we'll get a couple more on. And hopefully we can put part of that together, and then we can start working on getting the 4x4s set that will go on that framing to actually hold the panels.
Just a couple more parts from Menards.
Yes.
Out of stock.
Yeah, they ran out of a couple of things that we needed. But it's kind of like an adult version of
Tinker
Toys. Yeah. So I hope you enjoy this video, and we will be back in just a minute. So we did get the floor put down. It runs all the way back by the bed, comes up. We have a slight gap there in front of the shower and the composting toilet, because there will be wood coming down there. The same over here where the shelving is going to be. And then if we come over here, you can see there is no flooring around the kitchen area, because that will actually have countertops built there eventually. And then I didn't feel comfortable putting linoleum under the heater or the pipes, because those are going to get pretty warm and we don't want to melt anything, so we will have other stuff there. But for the most part, the flooring is now done. So these are the pipes of the Tinker Toys, essentially, that will make up the ladder rack, minus 1 base flange and 2 T's that Menards was out of. So I'm going to go ahead and put the next coat of paint on. we will let dry, and then I will clean it up.
Okay, I'm not sure how to stop this one.
Go ahead. Okay. So I hope you enjoyed the video. One thing we did find, it just occurred to me as I'm watching flies fly around here. For some reason, they love being in here.
They do.
And
You don't have any food or anything on board.
yeah, we open a window or the doors and they just flock. But that aside, so I hope you got something out of this video. Oh, I want to talk a little bit about how we did the flooring. So let me grab one of those.
Okay.
So this is the flooring we used. It's laminate, vinyl linoleum floor. It's got a distressed wood look, and we liked it. So what we did is we used this carpet double-side tape, put it down in rows, and then took the yellow cover stuff off and laid these down next to each other nice and tight. We actually filled 2 garbage bags with the paper that comes on here. We had bought 5 rolls of this, and this is the 5th roll, so we figured that just about right. But I didn't film any of it going down. It was pretty straightforward. Just they're taped down.
Getting the floor clean and tape, so all the subfloor was nice and flat.
Yep.
That was good.
Yeah, we did put some duct tape down over any of the seams that were there on the subfloor, and so it went pretty smoothly. It did take a little longer than I thought. There were not a lot of trimming to do, but there was a couple.
And it's pretty tough. It doesn't trim with one little score.
Yeah.
So, did a good job.
So I hope you got something out of this video. If you did, please click like. That really helps the channel. You probably don't think it does a whole lot, but YouTube does pay attention to that kind of stuff. So like, share, and if you like what we're doing here, please subscribe so you can get notifications as new videos come out. And again, there'll be a new video next week. I really hope it is the assembly and mounting of the solar system.
Weather provided, right?
Weather permitting, yeah. And so that's a little bit out of our control. If we don't get a chance to do that and that gets delayed, I'm not quite sure what we're going to do, but we will be doing something.
If it's rainy, we come inside. If it's nice, we go outside, right?
Yeah, there's...
You didn't mention where you got this. Do
Oh.
you want to add that to the other part?
No,
You mentioned you got a good deal.
yeah. I will put it up on as
Okay.
like a title thing. Yeah.
Okay.